Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2014 BMW X6. This is the 3 litre xDrive 40D, so twin turbo 3 litre engine, producing 306 brake horsepower, mileage 86,695. It's a lovely shade called Deep Sea Blue. This is a one former keeper car from new. Stunning looking vehicle, very high level of equipment with exemplary service history. It has 7 services in total, 6 of which have been carried out by BMW. Of those, 5 of them were oil services. MOT expires on the 12th of February 2021. And there were no advisories. Tyres are the 19-inch run flats, all the same brand, Continental, 4.9, 4.5mm on the front, 5.7, 5.8mm on the rear. So incredibly high level of options with this particular car. It does have the electric folding mirrors with the anti-daz, dynamic package, it has Xenon headlights, electric power tailgate, you have the reverse camera including top view, blushed aluminium trim, Bluetooth telephone, as well as a host of interior features which I'll now show. Inside this 4-seater X6 coupe, very clean black full leather upholstery, set of fitted mats both front and rear. Just moving over, electric folding wing mirrors, got the auto on headlights which are Xenon. Multifunctional steering wheel with the paddle shift, main media system, which does have the professional navigation system, also DAB digital radio. There is a single CD player for the car. Also you have twin USB attachment, Bluetooth for telephone as well as Bluetooth music streaming. Digital climate control air conditioning with heated front seats. Automatic transmission. The car is also fitted with auto hold. The car also comes with the memory seat for both driver and passenger, so full electric adjustment, as well as electric lumbar for driver and passenger. This excellent condition, one former keeper BMW X6 is declared as HPI clear. We have all the documentation present. We have a fully stamped service history. There are 2 remote central locking keys. The car is fitted with run flat tyres, so there is no spare required. Locking wheel nut is present, as well as the rear boot cover, as you can see. We can also give some very competitive finance terms at the moment, and this is an example of a standard hire purchase agreement over 48 months with payments of just £333.10 per month. Interest rate is fixed at 4.5%. APR representative here is 10.2%. For further information, please go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with the walk around video, see all of our warranty information, use the interactive finance calculator, as well as reading all the independent consumer reviews. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at Berkshire Used Cars.